Hello, my project is Sisan. It's a privacy preserving decentralized payroll solution for enterprise and freelancers. These are the requirements. It allows a payee to provide invoice, and a payer can deposit on-chain assets that can be used for the payment of an invoice. A payer can cancel an invoice, and if he cancels after a critical period, 50% of payment of a single payment of an invoice will be given to the payee, while the rest will be sent to the payer. If the critical period has not elapsed, 100% of the payment attached to the invoice will be sent back to the payer. And the system ensures that all invoice can be tracked and transactions can be verified on chain. This is the flow of the architecture. Um, Payee submits an invoice, and the system records the invoice and emits an event. And the payer accepts an invoice and deposits enough assets on the invoice, and the system recognizes that and emits an event that payer have accepted an invoice. And if the critical period is not over and the payer tries to cancel a payment, 100% of the payment will be given back to the payer. However, if the critical period is over, 50% of a single payment will be sent to the payee, while the rest will be sent to the payer. This is the data structure for the invoice and with the parameters used. We used fully homomorphic encryption to ensure that balance on an invoice is made private, and this balance is mapped from using the creator, the payer, and invoice index. And we have other maps to keep track of the invoice using creator index and the creator and the invoice index, as well as tracking invoice using the payer and the invoice index, and using just the index. So this is an interface that describes the functions available and create invoice, and accept invoice, cancel payment, withdraw payment, get invoice using the invoice ID, get invoice balance, and get invoice by creator and index, get invoice by payer index. So we're gonna try testing it here and see how it goes.